Hi, I'm Nikki. I'm one of the co-founders of MoreTrees, and I'm here to give you a super quick introduction to the platform. So on the login page, enter your details, or if you've not yet signed up, then click the register button. You'll then be taken through to the main dashboard. So this is where you can find out all of the information about the good that you've done at a glance. So here you can see how much CO2 you've offset, how much has been offset on your behalf, how many credits you've purchased, how many trees you've planted for yourself, how many trees you've planted for others, and how many trees you have been kindly gifted. If you delve further down, you've got more details here about what you've planted and where, and if you click the view all button, you can then view your tree planting certificates. So when you log in, the first place you want to head to is the settings section on the left hand side menu. So under here we've got user settings, so you can just jump in here and make sure that everything we hold about you is correct. You can even add your own profile picture, and here is where you would change your password. You've also got under settings your payment history, should you need that for your accounts department, and importantly we've got the email template. So this is where you customize the message sent to anyone that you're planting a tree on behalf of, whether that's customers, clients, family, friends, the postman, whoever. So you can see here along the right hand side you can enter the sender name, so whether that's your name or your business's name, and you can enter your custom message that gets included in the email, and here in the center, you can see an example of the email that is being sent to them, which we think creates ultimate transparency and tells people that you're doing what you say you're doing. So where to next? So if you want to credit your account so that you've got enough credits going forward, then head to the buy credit section. And here you can enter the credits that you want to top up by either clicking the numbers or entering a custom amount here. And then you can click proceed to payment. And then you have two options, so you can pay by card, where you then enter in your card details, or you can pay by bank transfer. And if you click here, you've got our bank details that you can make your transfer to. And then once you've done that, click bank transfer made, and we'll receive notification, we'll look out for it, and then as soon as it's received, we'll send you an email telling you that we've topped up your account. Where to next? Well, next it's all about planting trees. So under the plant trees section, if you just want to jump straight in, click plant trees. And here you'll see this is where the magic happens, I suppose. So first of all, it's defaulted to the most needed tree in any project, and we determine where that is for you. That will also default to the cheapest option, which is £1 for one tree. If, however, you wanted a bit more control over what you're planting and where, click on either one of these orange buttons, and you can see here that you can select the project, and then you can select the tree type, and it tells you here how many credits. This also updates the information over here in the right, and we can adjust the amount of trees that we want by entering in the number or clicking the little arrows to increase or decrease, and you'll see all this information updates itself automatically. You can also see at the top the available credits and the required credits, but if you haven't got enough credits, don't worry, you can do that next. So I'm just going to quickly change this to one tree, and I'm going to plant this for myself, and I click plant, and that's it, it's done. If I hadn't paid and I didn't have enough credits, it would then take me to the payment page to proceed that step. So now I want to obviously review us on Trustpilot, but after doing that, I want to plant more trees. And this time I want to plant them for others. So same process, I can default the tree options and the project options, or I can select. But under here, I'm going to click other. And then I'm going to enter how many people, and you see that the more people I enter, the more boxes that open on the right. And then I simply put in their name, their email and the quantity, and click plant, and then they'll get an automated email with that custom message we just tailored telling them what you've done. So is there a quicker way of planting on behalf of others? Of course there is. So there's two alternative ways. So first of all, we've got the bulk upload. Now this is perfect if you're sending out, a mass amount of trees, you're doing Christmas cards, you're doing a promotion, you're doing it just because it's Friday. So here you can do it via a spreadsheet. So first of all, you want to download the tree list. Now this is just all the projects that we currently have and the different types of trees and how much they cost in credits. I should have mentioned before that we change our projects regularly, depending on who we're working with and the different planting seasons and things like that. So here I want to identify the trees that I want to plant, and what I want to make a note of is this tree identifier here. So this is what I'm going to use in the next spreadsheet. So I can keep that open to copy it across, or I can just make a note. And then next I want to download the sample file up here. And this is what I'm going to populate with the tree identifier that I've just copied from the other spreadsheet, and the person's name or the people's names and their email addresses and the quantity. And once I've done, I'm going to save that. And then on this page, I'm simply going to drag and drop or click here to upload. And then once that's done, if there are any errors, usually if it's a person's duplicated, that will appear. But hopefully there aren't any errors, and it will automatically plant the trees for you. And then the final way, which is we think the most exciting way, is that you can plant trees automatically. And to do this, you want to go to the integration section and then click on your appropriate app. So you can find the API information here. You've got the API documentation, and you've got these buttons to view the key or refresh them. If you know how to work with API and Zapier, so that's our main way of planting trees automatically, then go ahead and do it. If you want to automate tree planting but you're not quite sure how to work with the automation and the API keys and Zapier or whatever platform you're using, then just get in touch and we will happily help you. And if you need any help whatsoever, whether it's to do with automating tree planting or anything else with the platform, then please do contact us. You can either email support@moretrees.eco, you can use the little chat function down here at the right, you can submit a form via the website, you can also give us a call, or you can contact us on social media. If you want to learn more about the different ways of planting trees, take a look at the written user guide, and we'll also be uploading some more detailed videos on how to do each plant part specifically. Finally, you can also book in with a demo for a demo with us on our contact page, and then it's just a quick 10-15 minute demo where we will talk you through it and go through any particular queries that you have. Or if you want to talk about partnerships or anything like that, same, you can do it on the demo or you can do it by phone or email. Thank you, enjoy your tree planting, and yeah, let's plant 1 billion trees.